So here we have my 55-inch Hisense 4K TV. That's a Roku TV, by the way. And if you take a careful look at it, you'll notice in the bottom left-hand corner that the LED receiver is double flashing. Specifically, a little red LED is flashing twice. And so you may be wondering what that is. And it turns out that it's most likely, it could be a number of things, but it's most likely the television telling you it's having trouble connecting to your network. So if it's not plugged into the network with a cable, which most are not, it's probably running through your Wi-Fi. So you're best to go through your settings. So let's do that. So I'm taking my Hisense, Roku remote, and I'm going to press home like that. And then let's take a look at the setup. It says connected. Let's check it. Well, it says it's okay, but look what happened. Just performing the check got rid of the double flashing. So, you should be aware that the other reason it could double flash, why it could be flashing red, is because one of the circuit boards is failing. Now, I don't believe that's the case here. Because, well, the screen's working just fine. It's also not that old. It's about, I think it's just under 2 years old. And I bought mine at Costco, so I've still got warranty. But the real reason I'm not too worried about it is because it's functional. If you found this useful, we'd really appreciate it if you give us a big thumbs up down below. And subscribe's always appreciated as well. Always helps with the Google algorithms. If you have any questions or concerns, please put them in the comment section below, or you can always get a hold of us at www.urtech.ca. That's urtech.ca. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.